Imagine the planet Earth, its atmosphere thickened by greenhouse gases. Rising sea levels are flooding cities. Famine and drought are more frequent. Diseases are spreading across the globe. And what is the cause? Mankind is polluting our atmosphere with greenhouse gas emissions, thickening the gaseous layer and trapping the heat of the sun, causing global warming. Do we really want our children to suffer from the consequences of what we have created, the dreadful global warming? We are facing another economic crisis with peak oil. We are running out of cheap crude oil, and we are already at maximum capacity to produce it. Soon there will be no more, as it is too expensive and environmentally dangerous to access. Our resources are finite, and we need a solution, and we need one fast. Biofuel is a possible answer to this global warming and energy problem. It is a clean, renewable energy source that is able to turn any organic waste matter into energy. It is abundant and it is carbon neutral. Biofuel is a good alternative to fossil fuels because it can reduce organic waste. The reason behind this is that it is able to turn any organic waste matter into energy. Biofuel is used, there will be much less refuels in landfill. Some places, biofuel is already being used. Bio is a vehicle produced in Brazil that runs on ethanol, a biofuel made from waste corn products. Tractors in the Philippines run on coconut oil, while in South Africa they run on sunflower oil. Buses in Brazil also run on 100% ethanol. Biofuels can turn any organic waste into energy that is used to power homes and vehicles, reducing waste in landfill. Biofuel is abundant, making it cheaper to use. New supplies of this substance can be made annually as new crops are grown. Biofuel is also cheaper than many expensive fossil fuels, such as oil. It costs over 75% less than propane and is less than half the cost of electrical heat. Biofuels are a great source of energy because they are inexpensive. Biofuel is also carbon neutral, meaning that it does not release any new greenhouse gases. As part of the carbon cycle, it releases the carbon dioxide the plant material has taken in due to the process of photosynthesis, where plants take in carbon dioxide and change it into energy. Research suggests that biofuels reduce carbon emissions by 50 to 60%. Biofuel is a good alternative to fossil fuels because it can be made from any organic matter, therefore reducing organic waste. It is also abundant, making it cheaper than fossil fuels. It can reduce our reliance on landfills and allows us to recycle waste, as it is able to turn any organic matter into energy. As it can be made from plants, it is abundant and cheap because plants can be grown over and over again. Furthermore, it is carbon neutral as it is part of the carbon cycle. We need to help our planet, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and address the ever-increasing problems associated with global warming. Using biofuels is one of the bigger steps to solving this colossal problem of global warming. Let's save the world, our world, now, before it is too late.